Sugar will provide sweetness and structure to the sponge cake, still completely separate from any liquid.
Fresh milk pumps through a sanitary hose into the same blending tank, joining the liquid egg in a pale white swirl.
Inside the dry hopper, flour, sugar, and leavening agents tumble together as a rotating star blade mixes them into a uniform pale powder.
The cake surfaces turn a rich golden brown as the Maillard reaction creates color and flavor, with the pans enter a long, forced air cooling tunnel where fans blow ambient temperature air across the hot cakes.
The naked cakes are gently nudged by rotating rubber fingers into perfect single-file alignment on the decorating cushions.
A wide, flat nozzle spreads a thin, even layer of vanilla buttercream across the top and sides of each cake.
A thin needle injects a ribbon of vanilla cream filling directly into the center of each cake from below, piercing through the sponge without disturbing the crumb coat.
The roller spins at the exact speed of the conveyor to avoid smearing. This texture gives the finished cake a premium artisanal look.
A pneumatic pusher arm shoves it off the main line and onto a rejection conveyor. The rejected tray slides into a
A cardboard layer pad is inserted between each layer of trays inside the carton, preventing the trays from crushing each other during shipment.
That'll be $4.50. Have a great day.